up, everybody? My name is Quentin J. Davis I, and today, at the request of John Deere Jared, I'm going to be drawing not one, not two, but one Thanos tractor. Yes, I know, that's quite impressive. Jared also requested that I draw a Quentinized version of the John Deere logo, and I'm just gonna put a Quentinized version of the John Deere logo onto the Thanos tractor and merge the two requests because I saw an opportunity and I took it. Okay? Alright, so I'm just gonna get started without doing too much talking. Yup.
Run from it, destiny still arrives.
No one is my equal. Nothing to me. Obey me.
Fun isn't something one considers when balancing the universe, but this does put a smile on my face. Run from it, destiny still arrives. Smile on my face. Run from it, destiny still arrives. So desperately that you're right, yet to fail all the same. Run from it, destiny still arrives.
No one is my equal.
Okay, Jared, I hope that you enjoyed this drawing, and to everybody else who's watching, I hope that you enjoyed as well. I had a lot of fun drawing this one, and am fairly satisfied with the outcome. If you, person who happens to be watching this video, were also fairly satisfied with this drawing and want me to draw something that you requested, be sure to leave your request down below because I'm still going to be accepting requests until the end of June, and then I'm going to take a small break. If you didn't watch my last video, be sure to go and check it out. I went into more detail about the break that I'm going to be taking from requests, so be sure to drop your requests. Now is the time. Also, while you're at it, if you could hit that like button, that would be great. And if you're not already, you could also subscribe that smash button and join the Q gang. You know you want to. You know you want to. I know you want. I know you want to. We got an understanding. Okay. All right. I'll just leave you to subscribing that smash button. What the fuck are you doing? Just hit that button, please. I need more subscribers. Please. Anyway, I think that's all I have to say this week. If you'll excuse me, I have to go pick my nose. You thought you got rid of me. Why did I come back? Oh yeah! Till next time. Serve.